She told me it's horrible to feel this way. I'm trying anything and everything I can to stop my MS. More and more people with MS are using complementary and alternative approaches like herbs and supplements to augment prescription medication treatments. Ramazan sent me a quick question asking me if I eat turmeric. The answer is no. It's not part of my diet. Turmeric is considered an anti-inflammatory agent and is used to try and treat several inflammatory and autoimmune conditions, like MS, when swelling and inflammation are involved. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric. It helps reduce oxidative stress. And oxidative stress is a negative player in MS. I've talked about it before. So why don't I eat turmeric regularly? Good question. Hey, it's Steve. So the answer, there is a problem with it. Curcumin has poor bioavailability, meaning the body doesn't absorb it enough to be of any use, especially trying to cross the blood-brain barrier. Despite several turmeric studies, health benefits always come back as either not a definitive or more studies need to be done. Does that sound familiar? I think it's safe to say that eating your way out of MS sounds too good to be true. That's why many believe that disease-modifying therapies are the only thing that can slow MS progression. Western medicine treats MS with DMTs, with the hope that they might slow the progression. In reading my comments on this channel, I see many people think I'm against MS medications and opt for natural and supplement treatments instead. But that's not the case at all. Ever since my diagnosis in 2004, I've been on either one DMT or another. And I'm a big believer in them. I think when my first neurologist told me it would slow MS progression, but it wouldn't alleviate my symptoms, it hit a chord in my thoughts. When I was at my lowest, I hobbled around my house using a quad cane. I wouldn't ever dream about going anywhere in public without sitting in a scooter or wheelchair. Even though I didn't relapse, I felt like crap. I could see my abilities, the ones that I had left, slowly fading away. Even though there were no definitive answers, I had faith that one day the answers would come. I placed all my hope and faith and dedication in a naturopathic medicine. Naturopathic medicine is a whole body approach that includes nutrition, and lifestyle in conjunction with conventional DMTs. Think about the 5 essential elements I promote. Many would say that they are no substitute for DMTs. But where's the faith? Let me ask you, how good do you feel? DMTs are DMTs and they serve a purpose. But open up your thinking. See it from the opposite perspective. DMTs are not naturopathic medicine. I am a firm believer you need both. As all my function returns, I become more and more a believer in my faith. And my faith has not steered me wrong. So what's my final judgment on turmeric? It's a tasty spice, and I like it. But the anti-inflammatory properties are not absorbed by the body. So if you like it, enjoy it. But don't hope that it will do more than just that. Tell me down in the comments. Do you like it? Have you started practicing the 5 essential elements? 1 meal a day being one of them. And 1 meal a day is by far the most effective thing. So, 1 meal a day or turmeric, I'll opt for 1 meal a day any day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.